We're looking at a reflexive hand and eye exercise here. So this is really good for helping vision, but also that hand-eye coordination that really helps the brain to stay active. So Mariela's going to hold on to that ball, elbows are out to the side, she's flexed at the wrist, and she can feel the ball, the circumference of the ball in her hands. Headlight to the hips are going to keep beaming forwards, and she's just going to take the little light on her breastbone and she's going to twist it to the corner of her box. At the same time, she's going to lift the hand up, she's going to open her eyes, and she's going to look into the far distance. Even better if you can do this in front of a window. Then twist back, look down at the ball, so you're shortening your vision, throw, catch, and then go to the other side. So twist, hands up, eyes open, looking wide, facing forwards, looking down at the ball so that you can throw and catch. Remember to keep this very small, and we're going to look into the far distance, find that wrist rotation, come back, derotating the wrist, throw and catch, and then the same the other way, just a small movement, looking into the far distance, coming back, throw and catch. Perfect. So we can do as many of those as we like. There are lots of other games that we can play here as well. So one of the ones that I like to do is maybe even with a smaller ball, throw with one hand, pat with the same hand, catch with the other. Yeah, same hand, catch with the other, or throw, pat with the other hand, and then catch. Throw, pat with the other hand, and catch in the same hand. So just a couple of little distinct things there that we can do. Hand-eye coordination, but it's really good for your brain, cross-body connection, and great for keeping you sort of sharp and focused.